This is going to look a lot like those bad infomercials with people who can't do things right. But this happens to me more often than I'd like to admit. So let's design and print a funnel to keep coffee off my counters. Well, that layer adhesion wasn't good enough. On the next go around, I increased the nozzle temperature by 10 degrees, from 235 degrees to 245 degrees. I also increased the wall thickness from 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters, along with adding some fillets to make it look a little bit better. Well, this time the bed adhesion doesn't hold up and the print fails at around 70%. This is attempt number 3 with an increased brim size for better build plate adhesion, and it's successful. Now I can keep coffee off my counters. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.